Are you Professor
Mr.
Titterhoffer?
Yeah.
Well, listen, Professor, is that the metal-eating bird?
No.
No.
That's it.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah.
Well, do you mean to say that that bird can eat metal?
Yeah. That bird eats tin cans.
Eat tin cans?
Yeah, tin cans. Scrap iron, nuts, bolts, or any kind of metals. I'll explain how to capture that bird.
Yeah.
You know, that bird doesn't live in nests and trees like the other fellas do. No. They live in holes in the ground. On those stones on their heads are covers for their underground homes. And to get those birds out of the ground, you must play music.
Yeah, but I can't play music.
Well, take musicals with you.
Signals! 93, 46, 78, 7. Hold it! I'm sorry. I thought you were a bird.
I am. I'm a tough bird.
You'll have to excuse me.
Forget it.
Will you do me a little favor?
What's on your mind?
I want you to decoy that bird into my cage.
Why, she wouldn't give me a nibble. She's a metal-eating bird.
I'll fix that all right.
What's next? What's the big idea? Let's go.
That's all right. I'll make you look like a metal worm. Now, go get her.
Yoo-hoo.
Hello. Who calls? Yes, where are you?
Yoo-hoo.
Oh.
Hello, baby. You want to take a walk?
My, how shiny you are.
Yep. I'm a metal worm.
Oh, metal. Oh.
Miss something?
Oh, yes, but I won't miss this time. Laugh, will you?
All around the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. All around the mulberry bush. You can't find me. You can't find me. You can't find me. Hurry up. Look, I'm a flagpole sitter.
Now I've got you.
No, you haven't.
Yes, I have.
No, you haven't.
Oh, yes, I have.
Say,
Now I have got you. Oh, let go my wing. Let
Try to play rough, eh? Let's go. You can't take it. Peekaboo. Want to take a walk?
I'll walk you. Stop tickling. There. How do you like that?
Great. I like it.
Oh.
Hey, mister, get your cage ready. I'll push her in. Well, anytime you want a lion, a tiger, or an elephant, just let me know.
Thanks.
Well, I'll be rolling along.
Oh, where am I? What happened? Oh, what's the matter? I'm being taken for a ride. Help! Police!
And then you got your metal-eating bird back to the junkyard.
Yes, sir. And I put her in a shed, a wooden shed, you know. I had to do that so she wouldn't eat her way out. Boy, what an appetite. Can you lay eggs?
Me? Sure. And I can hatch 'em, too. I can hatch 'em.
I've got a great idea. We'll start a flivver factory and hatch 5 million cars a year. Hey, what's the joke?
We metal birds lay only one egg every 100 years.
A hunting we will go, a hunting we will go, a hunting we